But first, the latest details from San Jacinto County. Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Ron Trevino.
And I'm Reka Mutaranj. Right now, Francisco Oropeza is being held on a $7.5 million bond in the San Jacinto County Jail. Oropeza was arrested yesterday at his aunt's home in the town of Cut and Shoot. That's just about 15 miles away from the crime scene.
His wife, Divimata Lamar Nava, is also behind bars in Montgomery County. We want to show you video we just received just 2 hours ago of Nava going before a judge there. Here's what we learned. She is not a U.S. citizen and is charged with hindering the apprehension of a fugitive. And she told investigators Oropeza showed up at the home around 1:30 yesterday morning. She says he took a shower. She went to a nearby store and got him donuts. She also admitted to delivering information to Oropeza's family members in Conroe. And we have live team coverage right now. Let's get to Adam Bennett outside the San Jacinto County Jail. Adam, you just spoke with a judge who met Oropeza.
That's right, Ron. He told me Oropeza didn't have much to say when he was advised of his rights inside this jail behind me this afternoon. Though another law enforcement source told us Oropeza is cooperating with investigators, but doesn't really seem to show much interest in his arrest. Now, it's important to note that the San Jacinto County Sheriff's Office does not allow cameras inside this jail. They also do not release video recordings of these magistrate hearings like the one that just happened. But here is the new mugshot of Oropeza that San Jacinto County just released today. The deputy sheriff told us that he's been placed in a part of the jail that requires him to wear a vest. That's in order to prevent suicide, though he points out that Oropeza is not suicidal. Judge Randy Ellisor told me that Oropeza used a Spanish interpreter and had little to say during the magistrate hearing this afternoon inside the jail.
He basically said, I see. Part of my arraignment, I asked him if he knew where he was and what his charge was. He looked at me when through Spanish and indicated he knew where he was at and he knew what the charge was.
Authorities told me Oropeza also asked for a lawyer. He will not be in court today, though. District Attorney Todd Dillon this afternoon said that a grand jury must indict Oropeza, and then his case will be placed on a docket. And Dillon says that at this point, the county's next grand jury is scheduled to meet at the end of this month. Right now, officials also say that one of Oropeza's friends is in custody here at this jail, but he's in custody on a drug charge. They believe, though, that he had some role in helping Oropeza escape the area of the crime scene, and right now they're working to build that case against him. Reka?
Adam Bennett live with the very latest. Adam, thank you. We will continue to follow this story on air, and if you want more updates, you can always go online to KHOU.com and take a look at our reporting from the very beginning.